Thank you for joining me for the C2C Moss stitch. This is another stitch of my different C2C crochet stitches series. You can find more stitches tutorials on my YouTube channel and on my blog Made by Guti. For this C2C Moss stitch I used Alize extra gold yarn. I will put the link for this yarn, for this beautiful yarn, in the description, and a crochet hook. I love the tulip hook, and I'm also using 2 stitch markers, which is optional. So let's start. We start with chain 3. I recommend putting a stitch marker around your chain. It will be much easier next row. Then work 1 single crochet. This is US terminology. You place 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. And turn. So for row 2 we chain 3. I am also placing a stitch marker around this chain 3 to make it easier for next row. And now we will walk into the chain 3 of the previous row. So I'm removing my marker, but you can see how easy it is to find it once it's there. So I'm working 1 single crochet. Now chain 1 and work another single crochet into the same chain 3 space. And now we turn. We chain 3 again. This is row 3 and it's the repeated row for the increase part. You can find the full written instruction on my blog Made by Guti. So I'm placing the stitch marker around the chain 3. Now I will skip the first single crochet and work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now I will chain 1, skip the next single crochet and work 1 single crochet, chain 1 and another 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space. So I'm removing the marker. After I chain 1, I work 1 single crochet, chain 1 again and 1 single crochet into the same chain 3 space. And then we turn again. So we repeat the same row. We chain 3. I will place my stitch marker, and this is optional, of course, you don't have to use them. Once you get it, it becomes very easy and you don't need to use them. So now we skip the first single crochet. We work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space and we chain 1, skip the next single crochet and work a single crochet into the chain 1 space. For now we chain 1 again and we skip this next single crochet and work our extension, the 1 single crochet. Wait, I'll remove the marker. 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the same chain 3 space. So this is what helps us increase our pattern. And then we turn again, we chain 3. Let's do a couple more repetitions. So we place the marker, we skip the first single crochet, and you can see this is the second single crochet, and between we have the chain one space. So we work one single crochet into this space, we chain one, skip the next single crochet, and this is our repetition. So we work one single crochet into the next chain one space, and then we chain one, and we repeat. We skip the next single crochet, work a single crochet into the next chain one, and then we chain one again and skip the single crochet stitch. So before you get to the extension part, and when you work into the chain 3 space, you must remember to chain one. So let's remove the marker. Then you do a single crochet, chain one, and a single crochet again. Let's repeat one more time, and then we will start to decrease. So we chain 3, place our marker, now we skip the first single crochet and work into the chain one space, one single crochet, we chain one, skip the next single crochet, work a single crochet into the chain one again, and skip the next single crochet, and let's repeat until we reach the chain 3 space. We skip the next single crochet and work one single crochet, chain one, and another single crochet into the same chain 3 space. Okay, you can repeat this row as much as you want, reach your desired length of your work, and let's start decrease. So for the decrease section, we do start with a chain 3. We place the stitch marker, and we start as usual. We skip the first single crochet, work a single crochet into the next chain one, we chain one and skip the next single crochet, and we repeat, and we continue until the last single crochet stitch. We chain one, and now instead of working the extension of one single crochet, chain one single crochet, we work only 2 single crochet without the chain one into the chain 3 space. So you see I have no chain one between these 2 single crochet stitches. So this is the setup for the decrease part, and now we start again. We turn, we chain 2 this time, place your stitch marker, now skip the first 2 stitches of the single crochet and work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now we chain 1 and skip the next single crochet stitch, and we repeat until the last single crochet stitch. So our repetition now is different. We first chain 1, we skip the next single crochet and then work a single crochet into the next chain 1. So we start with a chain 1, we skip, and we finish with a single crochet. We don't finish with a chain 1 like the increase part. So now we reach the last single crochet. We will remove the marker, and then without chaining 1 before, we will work 1 single crochet into the chain 2 space. So we also have 2 single crochet stitches without the chain 1. And now we will turn and chain 2 again, and this is row 6. It's our repeat row for the decrease part. So skip the first 2 single crochet stitches and work 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space. And now start the repeat section. You chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and work a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. So again, chain 1 and work a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. So remember to finish with a single crochet without chaining before walking into the chain 2 space. So now we have 1 single crochet left, so we remove the marker, we don't chain 1 before, and work 1 single crochet into the chain 2 space. So we have 2 single crochet without a chain 1 between them. Okay, so continue working this row until you have only 2 single crochet stitches left in your row. So again, we are skipping the first 2 stitches, working a single crochet into the next chain 1, and then we're chaining 1, working a single crochet into the chain 1 space, repeating until last single crochet stitch, and work a single crochet into the chain 2 space. Let's repeat. Okay, so now I am skipping the next 2 single crochet, work 1 single crochet into the next chain 1, and then work another single crochet into the chain 2 space. Okay, and then I turn, and as you can see I have only 2 single crochet left and the chain 2 space. So now I'm chaining only 1 and working 1 single crochet into the chain 2 space. So I'm skipping the first 2 single crochet and working a single crochet into the chain 2 space to finish off my square. So this is a small swatch of the stitch. You can see how nice it is, and this is the bigger swatch, and this stitch is great for blankets and washcloth. I really love using this stitch for my blankets and also as coasters or hot pads. I hope you enjoyed it. You can find the full written instructions on my blog, Made by Guti. Thank you.